everyone, what's up? Tarun Chaturvedi, क्या बात है? Hi Neha, Neha is here. We're just waiting for Neha's request, and voila, we're gonna start a chat soon.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello, blank screen. Hello, hello.
You can see me, can't see me.
I can't see you. I see a dark flat screen. Technical issue, guys. Technical issues. It's just so common with Instagram these days. I can't tell you.
Again, a blank screen.
Yeah. Again? guys, we're gonna get through this. I don't know why it's happening. Oh, I saw something moving. I think there is something on your
me
screen.
too. Hold on.
Oh,
There you go.
what was that? What was that?
Happens. How are you?
What's up? How are you? Looking good.
One
How's the
line out
lockdown
there.
treating you?
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Okay. What are you doing
Yeah.
these days?
There's a little work happening, so which is keeping me busy as well. So
Oh, that's good. That's pretty
yeah.
good.
Home shoots are happening. So
Oh, nice. Lockdown का पूरा फायदा उठाया जा रहा है.
it's actually the right time to kind of get in touch with people, market yourself. So
Absolutely.
जल्दी है.
All right. For people those of you who don't know, Neha Bhattar is one of the most successful casting directors in India. She's been casting for more than 10 years now, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
And you have casted actors in more than 1,000 commercials, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
And your recent work also includes some mega series like Illegal, Codem, and The Verdict.
Yeah. We are also like aiming at a couple of more web series which are supposed to come out soon. Once the shoot starts, I'm hoping soon.
That's pretty amazing. Okay. Okay. And guys, for those of you who don't know, casting is basically a process through which actors get casted into their films. But casting is just not that. There's just so much more to casting. But before we get into it, Neha, when did you first find your passion as a casting director? How did it all started?
That was a fluke. I came to Bombay. Yeah, it was by fluke. I came to Bombay to become a director. I finished my course, and then I gathered money to come to Bombay, which my parents didn't support. I didn't even tell them that I'm coming to Bombay. I think after coming to Bombay, getting my first job as an assistant director, I mean, it didn't fetch too much money, obviously, because unless you have support from parents, it doesn't pay you initially.
Right.
So the journey was very difficult. So got 2-3 odd jobs, and then eventually a friend of mine said that, have you casted before? So I said, yeah. I just randomly said that, yeah, I've done some work. And I've casted for a couple of films which never came out, and one came out, I left the film.
I mean, that's okay.
So I said, yeah, I have ample amount of database. So he said that, I work with this company called MAD. MAD is Chinikam, Pa, Sunil Machandar.
Yeah. Right.
And
Absolutely.
Yeah. So they said, we're looking for a casting director. Our casting director has quit. So I said, okay, let me come for an interview and see how it goes. And then that's how casting happened. So I worked there for a bit, and then I worked in tandem with another casting director for some time. And then I started off on my own. So it's been quite a journey, yeah. I mean, but the things happened and moved pretty fast. So
Wow.
that happened.
See,
Yeah,
all I know is, I think my first interaction with you also happened at MAD. Like, that was like ages ago. I remember when I just started off. Yeah. मतलब मैं पूरा एकदम टाउन तक ड्राइव करते गया और वहां पे I met you and you said sorry not fit. मुझे लगा 500 रुपए पेट्रोल के वेस्ट कर दिए यार, कैसी कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर है. Okay, but लेकिन यार, the journey has been so amazing. I mean, just hearing this, it definitely must have been quite something, because in 10 सालों में I think companies चली गई, there've been a lot of other casting directors जो आए और चले गए. There've been so many actors who became stars. There were so many stars who are not even seen anywhere. But लेकिन you are still here and with a bang.
I think it's the survival of the fittest. You need to change with the time. I've been lucky enough to get work, and people have believed in the work that I've done. So at least that has kept me going till now.
So I have a question for you, basically. You know, you've been casting for like ad film commercials. You've been casting for series also, like for 30-seconders to 30 minutes. You've casted for films, features as well.
Right.
So what is the difference in your process when you are casting for an ad film and when you're casting for any long format project?
See, ideally what happens is that there's not much of a difference in terms of the requirement of the characters. It's just that in 30 seconds, our time frame is like 3 days or 4 days of casting, and your casting is done. In long formats, वो होता है ना, और दिखाओ, तो वो थोड़ा चलता रहता है लंबा. Eventually, I know you know Tarun, right? Tarun has been working with me for almost 8 years now. So Tarun has just been there as a tutor. So we've casted so many times for long formats, and then we get irritated. Yeah, I mean, हर एक character के लिए we show some 30, 40, 50 options. At times we've shown more than 50 options. And the director's like, nahi. And then Tarun and I are racking our heads, you know, क्या चाहिए कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. And then eventually he'll be like, we'll go back to square one where we started from, और उसी में से select होगा. Eventually वही होता है. So we end up going back to the previous cast that we've already casted and then showing it and then selling it to them again, and then it goes through. So long formats take ideally a lot of time, because in the they have a lot of time also in hand.
Okay.
If they didn't, like one show of ours that we did, which had to go on floor immediately, our casting got over in a month's time, month and a half max.
Amazing.
So for Illegal, it was the quickest casting ever. Like Tarun and I were like, and that was our first show, and which came out right now. So for that, it was like, चलो जल्दी कास्टिंग खत्म करते हैं.
ऐसे टैलेंटेड एक्टर्स को कास्ट करोगे तो देखते ही पसंद आ जाएंगे ना. So which is easier, like ad films or
ads are definitely easier, but in ads it's actually how the director chooses the right cast and how sorry, my cat wants to come in. So
oh, what's up? Hey.
So, I mean, jumping around right now, playing with the other one. So, in small formats, it's easier to cast because your director knows very clearly what they're looking for. Sometimes, yes, I mean, for new directors, it's very difficult to work with because they want the best. There are no budgets, and it becomes important for us to get them a good cast at a lower budget. So
yeah,
that is a problem that we face. But otherwise, I mean, there's nothing difficult because eventually, if your brief is clear, you know what your director is looking for. So it's not that much of a difficult task, ideally.
Okay, let me give you a situation. Like, for example, like say suppose I am a new director, okay, and I have a script and I know what the kind of cast that I am looking at, but I have never met you. Okay, I've never met you. Or so what is but I've seen your work, so I call you for a meeting, and us meeting mein I try to explain you know what, this is what I want. But tell me, as a casting director, sometimes what happens is कि मतलब ये तो वो situation होगी जहाँ पे director could explain you कि मतलब you know what कि let's say this is the kind of characters that I am looking at. Sometimes you never get to have those meetings. Sometimes you're just given the script directly and you've been asked to cast for it. So how do you build that trust between your director that you know what that the shortlisting that you are sending is actually is right for your film?
See, what happens is when we meet first, we obviously carry some data with us, and we've been given the script beforehand. So before we meet the director, we know the kind of cast that we are looking at. We carry the cast, even if it's the first meeting. After the brief is given, we understand the brief. We carry multiple options. And then we sit with the director and show a couple of names, okay, a couple of actors, okay, will this work, will this work, will this look work? And as its priority is look. Okay, and in long formats, they manage to play around with the look. They make the character change their look and age them a little bit. But in short formats,
what was the priority in long formats?
So long formats, ideally, you need a brilliant actor for it. If you are not a good actor, ideally that is the thing, right? So
thank you so much. Thank you so much for casting me in Illegal.
So see, even in your character was aged a little bit, right? It was not portraying the current age that you're at. So. And whatever you normally play. So even then, so I could have taken, we could have auditioned older actors, but we didn't. We thought you'd fit in the category, and then you act well. So it goes hand in hand.
Oh my God. Itni khushi. Okay, that's amazing. Okay, I was reading this quote and it just it just keeps running into my mind over and over and again whenever I hear of casting. It's by an American filmmaker. He says that his name is John Frankenheimer. If I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correct or not, but I think that's correct. So he says that casting is basically 65% directing.
It's cast. Ideally, yes, if you don't have the right cast for the right character that you want to portray. I mean, you can't take a particular character, and I don't want to name people, but you can't take a particular character for a particular part which they don't fit in. You need to look the part. You need to fit into the part. You need to understand if it works for you. I mean, there are people who say that they've dived into the character before they've lived the character before they started working for the film or show, which is very true to know the characters. Like for Meher Salaam and Illegal, Kubra said, I mean, it's I don't know, a lot of people don't know about it, but the cases that have been taken in Illegal are real cases. There were people like that, and that has actually happened to them. Right. So to kind of study the character is very important. Kubra has done a fabulous job at it. We needed a character who looked a little harsh, didn't have a soft face. Now, if for that character, if we take a soft face, it wouldn't have worked very well.
Right.
So now
I'm saying this is a case study that these are examples of how casting should be done. But I'm saying what are the key roles of a casting director? मतलब जब भी script मिलती है, how do you feel that what is your thought process that allows you to contribute to the story? Just 2 or 3 key elements of a casting director.
Ideally, it's very important. So there are times wherein, we sit across with the director on the table and there's a certain character brief that a director has in mind. But at times, we also suggest that, maybe it's not this. We can look at this, which helps in long formats, not so much in short formats, because short formats are very quick and they know what kind of people they want. It's super quick. So long formats gives you that periphery to open up and to look at other characters also in a different light. So it also generates a lot of different options and also helps you to kind of put in your own input as a casting director. to kind of say that, this might fit in better and this might not. So that there were like in other shows that we were casting for, which is Main Hero Bol Raha Hoon, which is going to go on floors. It's half gone on floors and shut because of the lockdown.
Because of the lockdown, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, there was a character, Tarun is acting in it. Okay.
Yeah, I know. I got to know, yeah.
So that character was not for him, but eventually he played it so well. Everybody saw it, and then they were like, "Yeah, why not? Let's just go for him. He fits. So let's just take him." So we've casted people like those. So it works. Directors also listen to you. The producers also listen to you. So it's nice.
So has it ever happened that your director or your producer has been a very difficult person to work with? मतलब जो भी casting दे दो इन लोगों को समझ में नहीं आता है. How do you deal in such situations?
कुछ नहीं कर सकते. So basically, I tell you what, see, in hospitality they say, right, your client is the god.
Yeah.
So always correct, can't be wrong. So similarly, it goes here. They are our clients. We have to listen to them by hook or crook. We don't have an option. All we can do is hammer our heads more, go back to them, ask them what is that they're looking at. If we are not getting the cast right, give us maybe an option or an option of a face that you're looking at.
Like a reference kind of a thing.
Yeah. So give us a reference, and then we can probably work around it, and maybe you like somebody that we're showing.
Has it Sorry, please continue. No,
so sometimes there was when I was working with Matt, that is by far the longest time I have casted at a stretch without a break. And we've called people at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning. Whoa. So this ad was for Harpic. No, sorry, Asian Paints. And it was with Shad Ali. Okay. The PPM was after 2 days in Delhi.
Okay.
And we started casting. We casted for 7 days for it. Okay. And I casted, and we needed one husband and wife. Wife was fine. He didn't like any husband, yeah. Anyone. We tested more than 200 men.
Whoa.
200 men. He said, no, I don't want a single person. You're not getting the brief. And it's not that we didn't test good-looking people. It's an ad. You'll test good-looking people. But then he said, I am just not liking. And it was pouring. It was somewhere in July.
Okay.
And then from Friday onwards, Manchanda said, people are not coming to town. You go to Shad's house in Juhu, take the team there and sit there and cast. And you cannot leave from there till you... Okay, so we were sitting there 36 hours non-stop. We casted.
How many people did you audition?
We auditioned almost 40-50 people trying to get them because he didn't want a self-test. He wanted people to come there and test. So we didn't brush, we didn't shower. We stayed there.
It's not easy, man. The casting process is just not easy.
Not at all. We stayed there, and finally he had a flight to Delhi at 6 o'clock in the morning. And I remember I left his house after he left his house. And then I came home and slept for a couple of hours. And because it was Monday, then I had to go back to work at 10:30.
Yeah.
So it was madness. But that is by far the longest non-stop casting that I've done.
We can also say that this must have been the most difficult moment also, like in terms of casting in your life.
Not per se, it was fun because all the ADs were there and it was raining and we didn't have raincoats, and in the middle of the night we wanted chai. So we were like on the bikes going and, like getting drenched and getting chai and vada pav for us at 2 o'clock in the morning. It was fun as well.
Yeah.
And then we woke up, there's an actor called Karan Sharma. So he finally got finalized for it. We called him at 2 o'clock. I woke him up. I said, listen, Karan, I'm really sorry to bother you at this hour, but this is extremely urgent. Tomorrow is my PPM. I need you to be here in next 1 hour and I need to test you. He's like, what time? What is this? I'm like, once you tested, you come. So that happened.
God, I mean, yeah, there've been times when I remember मतलब कि उस time से you've been casting since the time when जब लोग मतलब अपनी hard copies photos की देते थे,
हाँ
right? And then this
हाँ
digital email thing happened,
yeah.
and now it's all about like this. It's mostly self tests that people ask for.
See, self-test right now, it's the new way of life.
Yeah,
Now everybody needs to be well equipped in their houses because pandemic is going to kill it. Studios are not going to function for a very long time.
absolutely. I agree.
To have the suits every day to wear, your mask every day to wear and sit in an audition will be very difficult.
Yeah,
So,
and also I wanted to ask you, see, you have dealt with a lot of actors, actors coming from different parts of the country, different parts of the world, I would say, for that matter, because you've also casted a lot of actors from abroad into your projects, and and actors with all kind of attitudes. So tell me, what is the difference in dealing with the talent and and the celebrity?
yeah, I really see there's a lot of difference between international actors and models coming to India because their approach is very different.
Okay.
Some of them are open to learning. Some of them are very easy to work with. They don't have tantrums. They want to make it big, and these are the models who come from abroad and really do well.
Okay.
Okay, so you have no tantrums. They will sit, they will wait, they will listen to your brief. And they, some of these people have a problem where they don't. You have some Russians also who come in, but then they don't understand it. For them, it's very difficult because they can't speak any language. They can't speak Hindi. They can't speak English. So it's very difficult for us to explain. So many times, like during an audition, there are 2-3 people out of which one understands 2-3 languages, and then they will explain it to them. Otherwise, we'll Google Translate and tell them that this is what you're supposed to do. But it's nice working with them. It's a different experience. Here, what happens is if you've done a couple of, the mentality by far, I think, of the Indians work-wise is not that great because you're not open to see. We hold auditions. We hold auditions for a reason. We want you to come. We want to test you. We know you're good. But most of them don't turn up. We have to call them some gazillion times for them to come to the audition and give the audition. It's like, it's a two-way street, right? I mean, we are giving you work.
Right.
And we want you to come and we want to give you work. But, don't not take us seriously and kind of not come and say, oh, I got busy, I had this, I had a prior engagement, but every day you can't have a prior engagement for 5 days.
Obviously. यार यहाँ तो आने को नहीं आने तो मत बता दो हमें यार
exactly but ऐसा नहीं होता है. Then apparently somebody from the production house will call them and then they'll say कि ठीक है हम self test करके भेजते हैं. तो थोड़ा सा the way of working is not correctly followed here.
Okay.
Otherwise it's good fun. Some of them are really nice to work with, and some of them throw tantrums. You've been into a couple of fights, right? At the studio where people not you personally, you witnessed it. Where people say that don't fit.
I have seen it.
Exactly, that is what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. You witnessed it, right?
I remember one day an actor coming to a studio asking that, do I fit for this role? And the casting director said, sorry, no. And he's like, yaar, मैं shave करके आ जाऊँ. And then the casting director is like, क्यों चेहरा बदल जाएगा क्या shave करने से? So I was like, and then they got into a fight, and I was like, यार क्या करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो यार तुम यहाँ पे? So yeah.
बहुत बार होता है.
ऐसा बहुत बार होता है. Like they are very.
So when I have boys at the studio and then there's a female who walks in, there is one particular female who always comes in, okay? And she doesn't fit. We can't test her. Okay. So
since we are talking about fights and all, tell me one thing. Have you ever got an opportunity to cast for an action project? I remember that Roar was an action project that you had casted for.
Yeah.
And And also like for some commercials where जैसे वो अक्षय कुमार की वो जो VIP बनियान वाली जो commercials होती हैं जहाँ पे मार खाना होता है actors को. So do you get like special requirements for that for action projects?
We do. When it comes to action projects, they tell us that okay, somebody with a chiseled physique, for females like an extremely toned body, and they can probably move an arm and a leg a little bit. And for men, obviously, they've done some kind of martial arts or something to that effect. Would be an add-on. Otherwise, obviously, they have people like you on sets to coach them. So yeah, that way.
Funniest casting story ever?
Yeah, funniest casting story तो मेरे को कोई याद नहीं आ रही honestly. ऐसा कुछ funny कभी हुआ नहीं है. But ideally there are multiple weird stories. Funny तो कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है. I wouldn't be able to tell. Funny तो मेरे को कुछ भी आ नहीं रहा है दिमाग में.
अच्छा, the stupidest thing that an actor must have asked you.
Why don't I fit? Look at me. Then
look at me.
मेरे में खराबी क्या है? तो अभी आप फिट नहीं होते हो कैरेक्टर के लिए. कैरेक्टर का ब्रीफ क्या है? हम कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर है, हमको पता है अभी कैरेक्टर का ब्रीफ क्या है. आप I want a hunky dory man. I want somebody who looks like an Akshay Kumar. You don't. So I can't tell him that you're not a good-looking guy or you don't like.
But वो actor उसको तो लगता है कि वो हीरो ही लगता है ना, लेकिन
वो तो अभी उनको बोल नहीं सकते ना. There is this lady who always comes in, and she's 28 years of age since past 10 years. Okay. So since I've known her, since I've been in the industry, she's not a day older than 28, right?
28, okay.
Yeah. So I have called her for a mother's role, okay, of a teenage child. She walks in. She's apparently not read the message. Just because she's got a message, she's walked in.
Oh.
A message, it's a mother's role. And then she comes in and she's like, मैं तो मेन लीड्स करती हूँ. मेन लीड्स कहीं भी नहीं करती. मैं मेन लीड्स करती हूँ. I am 24. From 28 that day she became 24 also. And Tarun is witness to this one. Oh my God, how much we laugh.
Okay, तो ऐसा भी होता है. Right. Crazy.
So that happened.
Okay. Bad acting or bad actors?
Bad acting or bad actors? In terms of what?
Which is correct according to you?
Bad acting.
Bad acting. Okay. Bad acting, bad actors, or bad attitude?
Bad attitude.
Okay. Do actors really need to be honest with their age?
Doesn't really matter. It doesn't go to the. I mean, we at least don't send their ages to the directors and the producers.
और एक casting director क्या कभी set पे जाता है?
Depend करता है. अगर if they are called and they think that they can't handle the actors, then they say that चलो आ जाओ.
तो मतलब casting director का job ये भी है to handle actors?
नहीं होता है उन लोगों से हैंडल, तो तुम लोग हैंडल करो. हमसे हैंडल नहीं हो रहे हैं. तो there have been times wherein actors have gone on the set and they've said, "Arey, the other actor is getting paid more than I am. I am not shooting. I'm not coming out of the vanity. You pay me more money, then I will start shooting." बहुत बार हुआ ऐसा. बहुत बार हुआ ऐसा.
But that's against the ethics, no?
People don't understand it. You have agreed on a certain amount and you've come on the set. The other actor is much more senior, is getting more money, but you can't be compared to that actor. Or maybe that actor has got an X amount of money and you're getting an X amount of money, but you want that 10,000 rupees also extra. And some actors are like, मैं आधा घंटा shoot ज़्यादा किया है, तो मैं नेक्स्ट शॉट के लिए नहीं जा रहा हूँ. फर्स्ट यू राइट अ चेक टू मी फॉर हाफ डे एंड देन आई विल एक्ट. This is like stalling the production. You stop everything, your money is going up. Bichara producer does not have anything to do. There are so many times that we have to kind of tell the actors to calm down and not behave like that. Figure out the money.
I think let's just address the fact. ऐसे actors का future कैसा होता है?
Ideally, we don't call them again for work.
See, guys, whoever is watching this. Whoever is watching this, keep this in mind. Bad attitude doesn't work.
Yeah, so there is a casting group of all the casting directors. So if anybody does anything wrong or
उस ग्रुप में शेयर हो जाता है.
वो उस ग्रुप में शेयर हो जाता है उसके साथ कि तुमने क्या किया उसने किया है. And the bad behavior, everything is pinpointed.
मेरा अगला सवाल ये है कि क्या मैं उस ग्रुप में हूँ? मतलब क्या मेरे बारे में बात होती है?
नहीं विकी, अभी तक नहीं हुई है. होगी, मैं बताऊंगी फोन करके.
नहीं, वो मौका नहीं मिलेगा. Okay, tell me, how many casting directors are there in our industry?
Oh, every second there is a new one, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. मतलब we hear a lot of names.
Ideally, on the basic groups that we have more than 100.
Okay.
Right? And ideally, if I'm not wrong, we'll have more than 500 casting directors.
How many?
Because more than 500, because there'll be, but only a few are working. People will, people come in the market, try to get work. They don't get work. They start doing something else. But every day there is a new person coming and wanting to become a casting director. Earlier, it was not a job. Now it's become a job.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So, casting director बनने के लिए, like, how does one become a casting director? Like, is there a particular school or is there a particular, qualification that is required?
There are no studies to become a casting director. No.
What are the qualities of a great casting director?
You need to have an eye. That's it. You need to have an understanding of the requirement. You need to know the right actors. And you need to have an eye for the right actor. You need to, basically, when you're sitting down for that first meeting with the director and the producer, when they tell you that this is the kind of cast you're looking at, it's not that you're shaking head, I know what you're saying, but then you need to also give them that kind of cast. Correct. All right.
Yeah.
I am capable of giving
which will add up to their story.
Exactly. Right. So that is the only thing. There is no qualification per se. To become a casting director.
Yeah, man. I mean, for any budding casting director, please keep this in mind because I think that's one of the key things to remember if you want to get into casting.
Yeah, a little bit of camera angles they will need to know. Little bit of lighting and background they'll need to know. Keep in mind.
Also, I think people skill is also important, right?
People skill is important. Obviously, you need to know how to talk to people. You can't be rude to
people. That's one of the main reasons why Tarun is still working with you.
Yeah.
he's got that skill, man. He somehow knows how to speak to someone, or he somehow knows how to speak to actors, especially, right?
No, agreed. He's great with rapport building, which is very essential. Right. So if you need to have your own rapport, he has his own rapport with actors. When he joined me initially, I remember I used to get so many calls. Who's this assistant of yours? And that time Tarun had just joined me. Okay, so it was like very new. And then I'm like, why? What happened? He's so rude. I'm like, and before that person could call me, I would get Tarun's call. Boss, this has happened. And I said this one said this, I said this one said this. I said, okay, so I'm already aware of what has happened. And people have sent me messages. So I'm not going to be biased because Tarun works with me, and I'm not going to be biased towards an actor also because that actor is whoever that actor is. But what matters to me is Tarun is a face that works with me. So I know Tarun will not go wrong anywhere. So till date, I've not seen him go wrong anywhere that way. So which is lovely. I mean, works for me.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. What is typecast?
यार टाइपकास्ट इज अगर तुमको अच्छा डांसर चाहिए, गुड लुकिंग बंदा चाहिए, ऋतिक रोशन को ले लो. और किसी को chance नहीं दे रहा है।
और किसी को नहीं देने की जरूरत है, मतलब यही है।
हो गया ना, मतलब वन somebody who dances well या वरुण धवन को ले लो, हो गया तुम्हारा टाइप कास्ट खत्म, या टाइगर श्रॉफ।
Okay.
So that is typecast. Now, if you want to break the barrier of typecast, you probably take a good dancer. I mean, who can be a good dancer? Ideally, we don't have too many good dancers in our industry also.
But then do you have good action performers in the industry?
Not really.
So
how many actors who are performers? I mean, you have a couple of them, yeah. Like Arun is there. Arun is very good with action. I don't know if you've ever worked with Arun.
No.
Arun Chaudhary. So he's done a couple of films with Salman. Then a couple of films. He was in Roar also. We casted him. Roar was his first feature. So
okay, then I must have met him, because by the way, I choreographed fights for Roar.
Yeah. Then you must have the tall guy, very chiseled.
Listen, everyone in front of me is tall only.
Yeah, but then, okay, dusky, tall guy. There was only one dusky tall guy.
I know. Now I know whom you're talking about. I remember.
Yeah. So I think he's missing in action right now. He's busy with something at home. So he was good. There are a couple of them who are good. There is Vikas Manaktala also. So there are people who trained themselves.
Vicky Arora का कोई नाम लेता है कि नहीं लेता है एक्शन में?
मतलब तेरा नाम ना अभी कितनी बार लूं मैं?
अच्छा ठीक है, okay. वैसे भी this live chat is not about me. So tell me now, you told me that there are so many casting directors. I mean, you yourself has a group, like जो हमें मालूम नहीं था. By the way, guys, the secret is out.
Producers का भी है, directors का भी है, सबका है.
Oh, wow, that's amazing यार. मतलब किसी भी एक अच्छे इंसान को फेमस होने के लिए ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा.
नहीं, तो प्रोड्यूसर्स का भी है, एजेंसी प्रोड्यूसर्स का भी है, एजेंसी फिल्म हेड्स का भी है. So everybody has a group. So if you say that I have not done a competitive brand in past 1 month and you shoot for a brand,
and anybody can find out,
and the agency is penalized for it, and you have to have a reshoot, your name as an actor is going to go on that group.
Wow.
Okay, so you have to be very careful, because then people will not give you work.
Absolutely. I mean, this is so amazing. मतलब कि कैसे पूरी की पूरी industry is like together right now. You know?
It's that way. It's connected, and thank God for the digital medium now. Earlier, it was not
obviously, yeah,
so well connected. अभी WhatsApp पे सब connected है ना?
Yeah. So, how many women are there in the casting department, like in the casting industry?
A lot, yeah. I think every third person is a woman.
Do we have more women in the industry, or do we have more men in the industry?
We have more men, but women slowly are making their space there. We are getting a lot of women right now. I think there are a lot of women who are casting and who are doing really well.
Have you ever heard of a situation or a circumstance where there's been some kind of discrimination with the gender? या मतलब यहाँ पे if you're a lady, मतलब they don't find it comfortable speaking with you. ऐसा कभी कुछ हुआ? Like I'm talking about.
Not per se with me. Nothing has happened. Yeah, women have been uncomfortable with the boys working with me, but otherwise, I don't think I've faced anything in terms of males or females that way.
Okay, wonderful. सही है यार, मतलब okay, one final question. I think we've covered a lot of ground today, and there's been so many insightful things that you have told us about, and which is great. Where do you think is the future of casting in our industry?
Casting is growing, yeah. I mean, without a casting director, I don't think now people can function. Earlier, 80s used to work. Now, it's without a casting director, you don't get onto a project. You definitely need one. So it definitely is one of the most promising careers that's taken its time to grow, but it's going to be there.
Also, I feel that there are so many mediums that are coming up, so many platforms that are coming up, and so many, series that are being made where, a casting director's job just becomes more important and more difficult also. Like, not difficult because someone who enjoys casting, I think it's really cool to know that, they're getting opportunities. But yeah, with I think longer formats, you have more opportunity to prove yourself as an amazing casting director, right?
Very true. In short formats, I think it's more of the director's. It's a director's baby. But in a long format, because you're so invested, I mean, obviously, and you have so many people to cast for. Even like eventually, what happens is director looks at everything, but then
Something with the sound. Now you're stuck. I can hear you, but the screen is black again.
yeah.
ये क्या हो रहा है? ये कैसा इफेक्ट है यार? What kind of an effect is this?
I have no idea.
Oh my god, like ये मेरे कैमरा में क्यों नहीं है ये वाला इफेक्ट?
मेरे कैमरा में स्पेशल है.
Wow.
हाँ.
Okay,
So,
I think we have some. Sorry, you're breaking again. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, cool. Yeah, wonderful. Tell me.
So I lost my chain of thought. I was saying something.
You were talking about having better opportunities in longer
long format
formats.
actors, yeah. So it's easier because in long formats, no director is burdened with a lot of work, right? So eventually, it also falls then on the casting director to find the right cast. So sometimes directors sit there and then we are showing them the cast, and I'm like, directors looking at the cast, and then I don't feel the cast fits. Okay, so I'm like, next. So he's like, you tested the person, like, yeah, but I don't feel he fits in now. Let's go to the next one. So
has it ever happened that you have actually, put your sorry, yeah,
foot down? Yeah, tell me. No, you were saying.
I was saying that has it ever happened that you've actually put your foot down for a particular actor for a particular role? That maybe the director doesn't like him that much, but you are like, he's good for you.
We've done that, and then so many times it's worked against us, but we've done that. I mean, after that happened in Verdict also for one of the primary characters, but eventually it worked out fine. So, but we after we saw the series, we were like, ये मजा नहीं आया. Somebody else should have been there, because we have like an idea of the character's portrayal that is to be done on screen, right? If the character doesn't look the part, it's completely opposite casting. You're trying to make somebody who does not fit into the part to look the part. So वो थोड़ा issue हो जाता है.
Okay, immediately 2 quick questions, and I would expect 2 quick answers. Every casting director's dream.
Oscars.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, and can casting directors be good directors?
Of course.
Right? Because
casting directors are the best people. Ideally, casting directors can be good directors. They can be good actors. Casting directors have a vision, and they definitely know how to get the acting out from an actor. That is not everybody's cup of tea.
Correct, because they are the ones who are dealing with the actors, most of the times.
They're dealing on daily basis. It's their bread and butter. So direction comes with making a person act well, and also having a view to how you want to see a film, or ad film, or a feature, or any long format, right? So if you're creative and if you have the knack in you, yeah, of course.
Amazing. Recently there has been this case where some actors have complained कि मतलब casting directors cannot be actors. It's been running a lot. What do you have to say about that?
Yeah, actors can't be
और
casting
मैं
director.
भी आंसर करूंगा इस चीज को because I am also an actor. So I'll also answer it, but first you answer it.
Actors then can't be casting directors. You can do whatever you like. Nobody is stopping you to do anything. And whatever I mean, you are in a creative field and nobody's put a stamp कि boss ये तुम्हारा काम है. आपको जो काम करना है आप करो. कल को आप एक्टर हो, आप डायरेक्टर बनते हो या प्रोड्यूसर बनते हो, तो आपको कोई रोक नहीं रहा ना, आप बनो. So
what message do you have for such people?
nothing. I'm like, do your own thing. Try and become a bigger person and try and open your periphery of your mind and, do better things for yourself. Grow.
So I think that's what I'm saying. I think it's better to just say 2 words: grow up, dudes.
Yeah, it's just, they need to grow, as in their mental state needs to grow, because ideally people who say this have nothing better to do.
I know.
So that's why they are saying it. Otherwise, they wouldn't say it. Insecurity.
It actually says, by saying something like this, it actually says a lot about them rather than, what point they're trying to.
It's basic insecurity. There is nothing more to it. So, I mean, you'll grow out of it at some point. Not that the world is stopping because you thought about something. So it's okay.
Right. Yeah. Just focus on your work and try to get better at that.
Exactly.
Thank you so much, Neha. This has been so wonderful. Yeah, you've answered such amazing questions. Oh my God.
Kya? I'm saying thank you for having me over.
The pleasure and the honor was all mine. And these were some of the most important questions, and some really insightful information that you have given us, and for which we, as an actor, I think we are very grateful. So thank you so much. And yeah, if guys, if we have any questions regarding filmmaking or casting or action, just throw in there in the comments below, and we'll answer all of them. Why not? I mean, even if she doesn't answer, I'll answer them.
I'll come back and answer.